As an experienced cleaning engineer, you may often encounter such scenes. Scene 1. When leaders or owners come to inspect the site, the flying protective film makes the site appear messy. It's very distressing. Scene 2. The protective film is thin and soft. Workers can only tear it slowly and carefully to avoid glue loss and breakage. If workers are not careful, all the previous efforts will be in vain. Scene 3. Everything is difficult at the beginning, and tearing the film is no exception. Workers generally use a knife to scratch the film to tear it neatly. Although the method is effective, there is a hidden danger of scratching the coating, leading to steel sheet corrosion. Scene 4. After struggling to tear all the protective film, the workers look up and find that the stainless steel panel is full of fingerprints. They are instantly stressed out at the thought of having to wipe the panel again. For the clean room panel, the protective film is absolutely the guardian of the product. It can protect the panel surface from being scratched and damaged during transportation, storage, installation, etc. Before installation, it is necessary to pre-tear the film, that is, peel off the protective film around the panel. This can solve the problem that the film is difficult to tear after installation and also maximizes the protective role of the protective film during the installation process. Such an inconspicuous pre-tearing film process is time-consuming and laborious. After investigation, it takes the people 3 minutes to tear the double-sided protective film of one panel. Without stopping and focusing on tearing, they can only tear 160 clean room panels a day. In view of this, Wiskind Cleanroom Research Institute overcame the difficulties and launched the Easy Peel Protective Film. In addition to the protective function of a conventional protective film, it also has the characteristics of tearing straight and fast. No need for a knife or ruler, just tear it into a straight line. The scene of protective film flying all over the sky no longer exists. Moreover, this protective film is easy and fast to tear off. It used to take 3 minutes to tear off the protective film of one panel, but now it takes less than 1 minute, saving 2/3 of the time. Time is money. This is a real cost reduction and efficiency increase. The first ray of sunshine in the morning shines on the busy construction site. Without the fetters of tearing the protective film, we are able to quickly dive into the intense and orderly installation work. During the processes of hoisting, positioning, and fixing, every action is accurate, and every clean room panel finds its own position in our hands. And all of this is thanks to our optimization of the small step of tearing the protective film. It is like a key, opening the door to efficient construction, making the day meaningful. On this day, we can not only complete more clean room panel installation work, but also struck the perfect balance among quality, safety, and efficiency. Therefore, do not underestimate the optimization of any detail. In the pursuit of excellence, every small change can make a huge difference. Our goal is to make every day full of possibilities and make every project a source of pride for us.